All of the year hit Makurazaki City in Kagoshima Prefecture. By around 7:30 a.m., 54.5 millimeters of rain had fallen in just 1 hour. This video was shot during that same period. Perhaps because such a huge amount of rain poured in over a short time, water overflowed from the drains. The heavy rain struck during the morning commute. The cars were running with headlights on. A seasonal rain front remains active and stationary over the Kyushu region. The rainfall became so intense that there were fears of a linear rain band forming. Also in Shibushi City, it was heavy wind-driven rain. Large raindrops were pounding rice paddies that had only just been planted. In Nishino Omote City, there was not only heavy rain, but also strong winds. Damage believed to have been caused by the heavy rain has also been reported. In Ibusuki City, a landslide occurred near a residential area. The road was closed to traffic, but there was reportedly no damage to nearby homes. On a national highway running through Kagoshima, part of the roadway subsided approximately 2 meters long and 1.5 meters wide, sinking about 30 centimeters. No injuries have been reported. Due to the rain, evacuation orders have been issued for Toshima Village. Torrential rain struck the Kyushu region. Just before 10 a.m., rain clouds were approaching Yakushima, a place known for its magnificent ocean and mountain scenery. Breathtaking views stretched across the area. Around 10:30 a.m., whitecaps appeared on the sea as stormy weather intensified. A person who runs a lodging facility there recorded the approaching storm. 30 minutes later at 11 a.m., large puddles had formed in the parking lot. Another 30 minutes later, the wind began growing even stronger. Water could also be seen rushing violently through roadside drainage ditches. On a road just after noon, a truck in the opposite lane was stranded. Perhaps the vehicle became unable to move. Looking closely, the road appeared to be flooded. A person believed to be the driver was standing on the roadside shoulder. The person who filmed the video says,
朝方から結構暴風雨が続いていて、朝方も風の音が家中に結構響いていて寝れないような状態。1年に2、3回あるかないかの結構強いレベルの天候だったかなと思います。道路も一部冠水してたりとか、坂が多いので雨水がこう坂の上から流れてくるっていうのもありました。
The rain also hit neighboring Miyazaki Prefecture.
先ほどから強い雨が降り始め、こちら差している傘には大きな雨粒の音が鳴り響いています。
In Miyako-Nojo and Kushima, the highest hourly rainfall totals of the year were recorded. At an irrigation canal flowing through Nichinan City, the water level rapidly rose before their eyes. During Japan's rainy season, it may now be worsened further by a typhoon. On May 27th, Typhoon number 6 formed far south of Japan. The storm is expected to strengthen as it moves northward and approach Okinawa on Monday, accompanied by violent winds. Moist air flowing in from the typhoon could intensify the seasonal rain front and potentially cause severe damage. The lodging facility operator in Yakushima mentioned earlier says preparations are already underway.